Hello, students. Today I have brought you one of the most important topics related to short composition. Okay, and this topic has equally importance to both the classes 11th and 12th. Okay, in short compositions, earlier I taught you how to draft a notice or notices, clear? And in this lecture, I would teach you how to draft advertisements. Okay, students, advertisements carry 4 marks. Okay, clear? And they are quite important as per the examination point of view. Okay, so let us try to learn what advertisements are. Okay, and today I have written all the things. Okay, so that your learning could be a better one. Okay, students, let us read. An advertisement is a powerful tool to promote sale. Means here this is the purpose why we draft advertisement. Okay, with an advertisement we can promote our sale. Okay, even our services. Clear? It is meant to attract the attention of a targeted group. Okay, means when we want to get mass attention towards our product that we are going to launch or we have already launched. Okay, and we want to uh, multiply our sale. Okay, we have to make some advertisement. Okay, clear? An advertisement is sent in public domain. Okay, clear? By print media or electronic media. Means it is sometime printed in newspaper or sometime broadcast on or aired on TV or radio. Okay, students, clear? There are two types of advertisement. If we talk about the kinds of advertisement, there are two. You need to learn the two kinds of advertisements. Okay, uh, they are as follow: classified and display or commercial advertisement. Okay, classified advertisements are those advertisements that are categorized into columns and they are published in a newspaper. Okay, and display advertisements are put up on any notice board or any display board. Okay, and they are published or they are uh, pasted on a wall just to earn more and more commercial benefits. Okay, students, so let us learn what classified advertisements are and how uh, can we draft them. Okay, कैसे बना सकते हैं वो भी हम देखेंगे. Okay, classified advertisements, these advertisements are short. Okay, they are short. Okay, as they are built by word or the line. Okay, classified advertisements are published in a newspaper, magazine and others. So they are built as per the line or content they contain. Okay, clear? And they are even charged on the on the main page. If it is published on a main page, so it will be in lakhs. Okay, and it if it is published on an unimportant page, it will be in thousands. Okay, clear, students? They are even they are grouped according to the product and service type. Okay, they are grouped means we categorize them as per their requirements or as per their functions. Okay, students, they are descriptive and in nature. Okay, means we need to describe so many value points while drafting an advertisement, especially the classified advertisement. Okay, students, I hope you are getting whatsoever I am telling you. Okay, you can even pause the video and have a snapshot. Okay, for further use. Okay, students, let us read something. Let us try to know something more about the silent features of classified advertisements. It is precise and to the point. Okay, it is precise and to the point means it is quite accurate. Means we don't talk about this and that unnecessary things while drafting an advertisement. We stick to the point. Okay, clear? The language is quite simple, formal and factual. Means we need to write or use simple language, okay, that will be formal, or that will be factual, means that will tell the facts and the value points, okay, clear. Written in short phrases or words, means concise expressions are used in advertisement. Students, advertisements are quite simple, uh, as comparison to notices, okay, clear. And you are not penalized with the uh, wrong things you use while drafting an advertisement, especially the tense and all that, okay. Here we don't use we use less what the auxiliary verbs, okay, and other things, okay. If we add phrases, concise expressions, okay, our advertisement is quite perfect, okay. And they are categorized into columns like for sale or purchase, situation vacant, okay, and etc. Okay. Further, I will tell you what are the other um, uh, columns, okay, of an advertisement, especially the classified advertisement. Okay, students, clear? These advertisements contain details like name, contact address, telephone, or mobile numbers. Okay. The content is written in a box. Means you need to put the advertisements in a box. Okay. And it is a mandatory thing for you all. Okay, students. Clear? Let us have a view on the classification of classified advertisements. Okay, students, before telling this, I need to tell you one thing. In classified advertisement, we can use abbreviated form, short form of words. Okay, these can be used. Okay, let us try to know the classified advertisement and their classification and the columns in which they are categorized, okay, into. The first is situation vacant or situation wanted, okay. This particular column is used when we have some vacancy in our organization and we need to fill up them. So we will begin with situation vacant. If we require any job, we will write the heading as situation wanted, okay. And further details will be given as soon as we start writing uh, the particular column and their advertisement, okay, students. Next is sale or purchase or to let. Okay. In sale or purchase, we sell or purchase property, vehicles, and household goods. Okay. Clear? And to let, in to let, we sometime give something on rent, or we sometime have something for rent available. Okay. For rent. Okay, students. Third one is matrimonial. In this column, we draft advertisements related to wedding. Okay, clear. When we need to want some pair, okay, we want a suitable match for us and for our acquaintances. We draft this advertisement. Okay, शादी ब्याह के लिए हम matrimonial साइट और मैट्रिमोनियल एडवर्टीजमेंट्स का यूज़ करते हैं, ओके. लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड, ओके. अर्लियर यू have learned how to draft notices for lost and found. Here, students, lost and found is another column that you can find in a classified column of a newspaper, okay, clear. So here we mentioned the things that we lost and that we found, okay, and other value points will be discussed later, okay, students. Educational, another the other column is educational. Here we publish or we draft the advertisements regarding any institution when it offers the commencement of new batches, okay, or admission open and other educational things, okay. So we draft such advertisements under this column, okay. Tours and travels, here uh, being a tour and travel agency, we need to promote our business, and then we need to draft an advertisement promoting the package that we sometime have for our customers, okay. Okay, so that they can roam or they can visit, or you can say visit a place, okay, clear. And we need to tell them uh, you know the charges we offer and all that, okay. Next is change of name, okay, clear. It is another column in a newspaper where we sometimes change our name and we declare how we declare it. It is something that we will know in this column. Next, missing person or pet, okay, clear. Okay, so let us try to learn the first column, that is situation vacant or situation wanted. Or students, you need to learn or keep these points in your mind while drafting an advertisement, especially for situation vacant column, okay. First of all, the heading will be situation vacant or situation wanted. Students, we would use situation vacant when there is a vacancy, okay, when we have a post or number of posts vacant in our institution and we need to fill up them, okay. So we will begin our advertisement writing situation vacant. And when we want any job, okay, being a skillful architect, engineer and all that, we would write the heading situation wanted, okay. जब हमें चाहिए एक जॉब चाहिए तो हम सिचुएशन वांटेड लिखेंगे. व्हेन हमें जब हमें बंदे चाहिए, वी नीड टू अपॉइंट समवन इन आवर इंस्टीट्यूशन, वी विल पुट द हेडिंग सिचुएशन वेकेंट, ओके, क्लियर. It begins with wanted or required, means situation vacant हो तो क्या लिखेंगे, wanted or required, okay. And then we will tell the number of vacancies or the post, okay. It should be clearly mentioned mm, in the advertisement, okay. Then we need to mention the qualification and experience that required the post, okay. Mention the skill required for the post, okay. Skills भी आपको बतानी होगी, okay students. Then thereafter we need to mention the pay scale, perks, okay, means pay scale plus other facilities that we provide our employee, okay. And mode of applying, how they have to apply, whether via email or logging on into our website or any postal correspondence, okay, through any postal correspondence, ओके. whom to apply, किसको अप्लाई करके देना है ना. एंड बाय व्हेन ऑल्सो बी मेंशन, मीन टिल व्हेन, मतलब अप टू व्हेन दे कुड अप्लाई, मतलब कब तक वो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं ये भी मेंशन होना चाहिए. लास्ट डेट शुड बी मेंशन देयर, ओके. कॉन्टैक्ट एड्रेस, नेम ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड फोन नंबर एंड फॉर correspondence should also be provided in this advertisement, okay students. So these are the points you need to keep in your mind while writing an advertisement, especially for situation vacant column, okay. Students, you will find a statement like this one I have written already. You are the managing director of Balaji and Sons Private Limited, Pune. You need an efficient and experienced receptionist for your office, okay. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the classified column of a newspaper, okay, clear. And the word limit is 50 words, okay, clear. So अब you need to appoint an experienced receptionist, okay, clear. Means you have a vacancy, so the title will be, the heading will be situation vacant, okay. And that must be written in block letters, okay students. Then begin with capitalized wanted, Wanted what? An experienced receptionist. Minimum qualification will be graduate. Okay. Pleasing personality, male or female. Okay. It can be anyone. Okay. Salary negotiable means salary no bar you can write. Okay. Fluency in English, good communication skill, knowledge of computer essential is essential. Okay. Apply with resume by 20th May. It is the last date. To the managing director, Messrs. Balaji and Sons Private Limited. Okay. Club Road, Pune, or call this one. This is your mobile number. Okay. And email md underscore Balaji underscore Sons at the rate gmail.com. Okay, students, I think I should zoom it for you. Uh, you can read it for a moment. Okay, so this is an advertisement regarding situation vacant. Next, in this category, we will write an advertisement of situation wanted. Okay, students. Here I have written another statement. Students, you are a chartered accountant. Who you are? You are a chartered accountant. You are capable of handling accounts and managing finances, okay? Finances. Write an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the classified columns of the Times of India. Seeking a job means you need a job here. So here the title would be situation wanted. Okay, students, let us write this one. Let us write the heading will be situation wanted because you are seeking a job, that's why. Okay, here we can begin it available, or you can even start like this. uh, well qualified, comma, experienced and expert chartered accountant seeking, is seeking लिख सकते हो, seeking a job in a reputed firm. Mention your age 35 years. Okay, 35 years. Okay, uh, now mention your qualities: hardworking, okay, sincere, highly competent in handling accounts, okay, and managing as per given, as it has been given in the statement, managing finances. Okay, students, then mention your experience: 10 years experience. Okay, okay, tell your working status: working with uh, Jindal Steel Corporation company, where in Hisar. Okay, now tell the reason of your changing the job. But shifting to Delhi. Okay, why? Due to domestic reasons. Okay, students. Okay, clear? And or you can mention what you expect, the salary you expect. Okay, clear? uh, or otherwise write down salary negotiable, means you can negotiate salary, it doesn't matter as you need to change your job. Okay, ठीक है. uh, and now contact, whom to contact? PK Yadav. Okay, okay, 25, clear? Urban estate 3, Hisar. Okay, this is your address. And where is Hisar? In Haryana. Okay, clear? Phone number, don't mention your real number. Okay, okay, 3 and 4, 7, and then cross last 3 digits. Or email, email address, it is written in small letters. Okay, Yadav at the rate gmail.com. Okay, students, and now you have to complete the box. Okay, okay, students, so this is our advertisement for situation wanted column. Okay, our next column will be for sale. Okay, for sale, this will be the second column, for sale or purchase. Clear? Clear? Value points, what will be the value points? Let me write them first so that I can save your time. Okay, clear? So the value points you need to keep in your mind are, students, if you have to sell or purchase any property, vehicle or household goods. Okay, especially for these value points will be used for property. Okay, if you need to sell them, okay, sell them and purchase them, so you have to begin like this. Begin with wanted, available. Okay, if you have something, if you want to wanted, if you want to sell something out, so you will write available for sale, and available. If you want to purchase, wanted to purchase. Okay, clear? For sale, for purchase, to let. Accommodation wanted means property के लिए जो भी कुछ चाहिए वैसे. Type of accommodation means the kind of thing you are going to sell or purchase, whether it is a flat, on which floor it is. Okay, how can it be used, is it a usable site for an office, okay, shop and etc. And then you are to tell the locality. एरिया ऑफ द प्लॉट, एरिया बताना है कितनी एरिया का भाई, 250 स्क्वायर यार्ड एंड अदर. फ्लोर, नंबर ऑफ रूम्स means BHK, bedroom, hall and kitchen, how many they are. Okay, fixtures and fittings means facilities what you provide. Proximity to means proximity to like near to nearby metro station, है ना, school, college, hospital and all that. Clear? And then expected price if required. Okay, and then specific detail if any, and then contact number or address. So you need to keep all these points in your mind. Okay, clear? This one will be the last advertisement of ours for today. Okay, students, so let us write. it. Read the statement. Okay, then we'll write this advertisement. You own a DDA flat in Rohini and want to sell it out. Okay, draft an advertisement for a local daily, giving the necessary details. Means you have a DDA flat. Okay, and you need to sell it out. So first of all, in center setting, write आपको बेचना है ना, for sale. Okay, then and now you have a flat available, so we will begin it like this: capital available. Available what? Available for sale. What? A DDA flat. DDA flat where in Rohini. Okay, clear? And at first floor. Okay, it is a 2 BHK, 2 bedroom hall and 1 kitchen. Okay, then attached attached baths, bathroom. Okay, drawing room, drawing and dining room. Okay, with modular kitchen, with modular kitchen. Okay, then well ventilated. These are the features: well ventilated. Okay, well furnished. Okay, okay, with woodwork, with woodwork. Okay, and car parking available. 24 hours electricity supply, electricity and water supply, electricity and water supply. These are the facilities. Okay, then tell uh, east, park facing. East facing means you need to tell the facing of the. Okay, and then close proximity, close proximity to market, school. Okay, bank, hospital and metro. Okay, then expected price available at reasonable price. If you don't want to mention the price, you can write this one. Okay, reasonable price. Contact, contact PK properties. Okay, A2, A2 Rohini sector 3, New Delhi. Okay, clear? Or call at 9972459 and then triple cross. Okay, and then complete the box. Okay, students, this is all from my end for today's lecture. Tomorrow we will learn some more advertisements. Okay, keep learning and stay safe. Okay, thank you very much.